We all know that every time you pass a grocery store section, processed foods tempt you to buy them. Sugary drinks, chocolates and chips, and the list goes on. There are numerous options for quick bites. Processed foods are bad for you because they're full of salt, sugar, and preservatives. Reducing your intake of processed foods can be difficult, but don't worry, in today's video, we'll provide you 7 helpful tips for doing just that. What should I replace them with? We will be covering all of that. First, drink more water. Our bodies are 60% water, so staying hydrated and maintaining your overall health are both important. Unfortunately, most people don't drink enough water. However, drinking more water can help you eat less processed food. For example, let's say you had breakfast, but after 45 minutes you feel like eating again, you might end up snacking. In reality, this feeling is thirst because your body is dehydrated and needs water. You might wonder why you should drink water when there are alternatives like soda and energy drinks. However, these drinks just provide your body with sugar and calories, doesn't provide any nutrients, and they can make you gain weight and make you more dehydrated. Second thing, keep healthy snacks available. You consume what you see. If you see chocolate bars or desserts on the table, you'll probably feel tempted to take part. To avoid this temptation, start buying healthy foods. Keep your pantry stocked with fruits, mixed nuts, and healthy snacks. Keep a bowl of freshly cut fruits there instead of potato chips. Hard-boiled eggs, popcorn that has been stove-popped not microwaved, and overnight oats are all excellent snack choices. Third, switch to whole grains. You should choose products made from whole grains as they are very high in fiber, and whole grains provide protection against things like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. White pasta, rice, white bread, and tortillas are fairly common grocery items, but did you know that all of these are made from refined grains? These grains are extremely unhealthy for your body, so what are the alternatives? Whole grain pasta and brown bread and terrace more. The fourth change is alter your shopping habit. Making a grocery list is important because it prevents food waste and saves money. Additionally, having all the necessary ingredients on hand will enable effective meal planning. Whether you go to the store or order groceries online, always try to fill your cart with healthier options. Purchase more meat, whole grains, legumes, and fruits. It just makes sense that the less junk food you have in your cupboard, the less you'll consume. You should also read the labels carefully and avoid purchasing anything preservative, added sugar, and trans fat. Number 5, try easy food swaps. There are plenty of healthy alternatives to processed foods. You just need to be a little more selective about what you consume. Consider substituting tea for soda. Prepare your own salad dressing with olive oil. It's so simple to grab a jar of tomato sauce from a nearby store anytime you want to cook pasta, but you should strive to make your own fresh pasta sauce and use fresh vegetables when you do. Additionally, switch to unsweetened nuts instead of flavored ones and choose oatmeal over sugary cereal. Who doesn't enjoy a hot dog? Unfortunately, the sausage in a hot dog is highly processed. What's wrong with processed meat? Well, for one thing, it's linked to various diseases like cancer. You'll be pleased to learn that there are a lot of processed meat substitutes available. Salmon, fresh chicken, and turkey are preferable choices because they undergo less processing. You should also start eating eggs. They're loaded with many essential vitamins and minerals that your body starves for. 7. Slowly make changes. I know it's challenging to completely cut out processed foods from your diet, but you can gradually start making changes to your eating habits. Try implementing 1 or 2 of the suggestions in the list each week to see which ones are most effective for you. Keep in mind that you can still occasionally indulge in processed foods and go to your favorite restaurants as long as you do so in moderation. In conclusion, making the switch to a whole food diet can bring a wealth of benefits for your health, energy levels, and overall well-being. By avoiding processed foods, you can reduce your exposure to added sugars, preservatives, and harmful chemicals. Focus on incorporating fresh foods, whole grains, and lean protein into your meals. It may take some time to adjust to a new way of eating, but the positive changes you'll experience are well worth the effort. Remember, every small change you make towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to take control of your diet and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.